going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. We have Chris and his beautiful S15 Silvia with us. If you guys haven't watched the last video on the full walk around the car, make sure to do that first. But this video, we will be doing a ride along in this beautiful car. So let's do a quick little walk around for you guys. Again, if you guys want to find out everything inside and out about this car, make sure to check out the previous video. We'll be leaving my S2000 here while we go on a little ride along. Such a beautiful car, very well put together. And the black just looks so sinister. I don't know, I love it. Wow. Shall we?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Chris's beautiful S15. So it's been a little bit since I've been right-hand drive, but sounds good. We're not even on the gas that much and just cruising 3,000–4,000 RPM. This thing sounds so good. Oh, those downshifts, nice and crispy. And I apologize if the camera shakes a little bit because we're downtown, and you guys know every downtown has pretty rough roads.
Austin especially.
Oh yeah. We'll try to get on the frontage road. Hopefully, you know, the road clears up. Starting to have a little bit of traffic, but frontage road hopefully will be clear. Exhaust setup is just very nice. I love that low tone.
Yeah, the low tone is what it's going for. It's hard to get with these cars. Sometimes you get an exhaust and it sounds great at low RPM, low tone, but then when you get up on it, it sounds raspy. And yeah, so I think this is a good compromise for me.
You say it's the resonator delete that's doing the low tone?
Correct.
Okay. Oh, those downshifts too.
Once flame tunes, so I kind of wanted to shoot flames in a video. Just, you know, could say I did it once.
So I know we did it in the walk around video, but do you mind sharing what kind of exhaust setup you have again?
Of course, yeah. So this is it's an HPI turbo elbow to an HPI split downpipe. So it's kind of weird. It's a single entrance downpipe, but it splits into two pipes and then comes back together again. And they do that, I believe, based on HPI's literature, to make the pulses from the exhaust and from the turbo output sound a little more equalized. It's kind of an equal pipe, so that's the concept with that.
Okay.
And then it goes to a Reinhardt dual exit exhaust with resonator delete.
Okay, very nice. So we just came back on a little ride along with Chris's S15 Silvia. Such a beautiful car. Looks great, sounds great, and Chris does have big plans to build it for power, shooting for around 400-ish.
About 400, 450, yeah.
Very nice. So yeah, hopefully you'll be able to reshoot the car maybe in the future once, you know, this is V1 off the build, would you say? Version 1? Version 1 off the build?
Version 1 of like 4, yeah.
So yeah, this car is gonna change, you know, months or years from now, so pretty exciting. So again, big thank you to Chris. If you guys want to check him out on Instagram, I'm going to link it right here. You guys want to check out the cinematic feature or the walk around, make sure to check that out. They'll be in separate videos. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.